YouTube and just how can YouTube help grow your small business. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Frank Blanchard, AIFD, and I am a big proponent of utilizing YouTube to promote and grow your small business. Now, if you follow my channel at all, you know a big part of what I really encourage people to do is using video as a big part of your overall marketing strategy. We all know all the different platforms out there are very much moving to be video-based platforms. And a big part of that is because human nature, as the internet evolves and transitions and improves, we as humans have a tendency to naturally gravitate towards video content. Now, you might ask, how is that different than creating video content on your social media streams like Facebook, especially if you do live stream video content? Video content on the YouTube platform, first off, you have to remember YouTube is owned by Google, and YouTube is the world's second largest search engine. And when you consider 93% of everybody around the world that is online, if they need to search for anything, doesn't matter what it is, anything they are searching for, they're doing it on either Google or YouTube. So when we are creating content for the YouTube platform, one thing to consider, the content that you do create if you start a YouTube channel for your business is you really want to try and focus on creating content that would be considered evergreen content. That meaning, even if somebody were to see that video that you produce today and upload 2 or 3 years from now, you want to make a point of ensuring that the content contained in that video is still accurate and current. So the kinds of products and services that you offer, etc. If in the process of doing that, keep in mind, YouTube is a search engine and part of Google. If you can get your video content to rank and rank well, not only on the YouTube platform, but it's possible that you can actually get that video content to rank on Google as well. So the kinds of customers and clientele that you want to be working with, when and if they do a search for the kinds of products and services that you happen to sell or offer, if your content is ranking and the best content to answer that person's search query, it is possible that you can actually end up with multiple listings for your business in their top search results. That's a powerful tool, because ultimately when that person sees multiple listings answering their question, or maybe answering several different questions, when there are several listings of yours, that really sets you apart and tells that online consumer that, hey, this person must really know what they're doing because they actually have several listings. So who do you think they're actually going to make a point of trying to get in contact with? So that's a powerful marketing tool. Now, when you consider creating video content for YouTube and optimizing your YouTube channel and the videos that you create is very much the same as your website and optimizing your website through SEO. If you've watched any of my other videos, you also know that I talk a lot about SEO and how search engine optimization actually works across all platforms. You can optimize your profile and your channels anywhere you happen to have a listing. That is definitely possible, and as business owners, we definitely want to make a point of doing that. Now, there are different online tools that we can use to help us with the SEO to optimize our websites. And the same is true for YouTube. The tool I'm talking about that can really help you optimize your YouTube channel and the videos that you upload and publish to YouTube is called TubeBuddy. You've probably seen some of the other videos. There are a lot of them out there pertaining to TubeBuddy specifically. And I've discovered some real hacks that help tremendously by using TubeBuddy when I'm working on planning video topics and keyword research that I need to do to optimize videos for YouTube. Now, there's nothing to say that you can't actually utilize TubeBuddy to help optimize your other profiles, like your business Facebook page. If you are regularly creating video content, especially like live stream video content for your business Facebook page, think about doing this first. If you sign up with TubeBuddy, and there's a free version, anybody can use it. It's not like it costs anything. TubeBuddy is a Google Chrome extension that works specifically with YouTube. Use the keyword research tool. That can greatly help you determine and decide on what kinds of topics that you might want to focus on creating a live stream video, let's say. When you do that, plan to then create that live stream video content for your Facebook viewers. Now, here's where the power of this tool comes into play. You have already worked at optimizing and fine-tuning what keywords, etc., that you're going to use with that live stream video content on Facebook. Once you create that video content, that's a big part of the amount of work that we all do to create video content for YouTube. So once you've created that content on Facebook, especially now with the Facebook update from 2020 and even the further updates that Facebook has done now in 2021, you can now download those videos and live stream video content that you've created on Facebook. So that's a big chunk of the work that you've already done. And you can edit it in such a way that you can cut sections out if you want to do that. Or you can add music, or you can add text overlays and more still images and what would be considered B-roll. By optimizing and editing your video that you've already created for Facebook, doing these simple edits, now you've got a gem that you've pretty much already optimized that you can upload to your YouTube channel. So don't get stuck in thinking, oh, I'm doing all of this work on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn, etc., and starting a YouTube channel, that's just one more thing. If you take the time to really think about your strategy for the marketing of your business, this is one example of how you can get double duty out of some of the content that you're creating to promote your business. So if you want to check out TubeBuddy, I'll definitely share in the description down below an affiliate link so that if you want to try it out, try out the free version. If you want to try one of the paid versions, it'll give you a little bit of a discount for that. But you might want to invest in that because TubeBuddy is a real powerful, easy to use tool to help optimize your videos for YouTube, but also any other video content that you create, for instance, for Facebook, or potentially LinkedIn, or anywhere else that you are producing and uploading video content to promote your business. If you like this video and topics like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up and a like. And if you like getting content like this on a regular basis so that you can level up your skills to improve your overall business, definitely subscribe to my channel down below. If you'd like to be notified when I do upload new video content for you, definitely hit that bell icon down below as well. But until next time, try out TubeBuddy and see how you can actually implement creating more video content as part of your overall marketing strategy for your small business. Until next time, I'll see you over here in the next video, and I'm sure it will help you get there. Bye for now.